Hi, Caroline Kearney here at Powell Arts, and I'm standing with Diedra Stone-McGrory, who is going to be in our Marvelous and Unusual show from now through July 16th. Diedra, can you introduce us to your stellar pieces?
Sure. These are suitcases that I did a collage on. And the collage was from a really old Rolling Stone magazine that I bought on Etsy. Because it's really hard to find magazines these days.
It really is. And they're so beautiful too. And they used to be printed on such nice material. I can see why you would want to make a collage with it. So this side incorporates a lot of your favorite things you said. So we've got Newman and Hendrix, Shakespeare.
Yes, I like Shakespeare.
I should probably know who that is, but I don't.
That is Johnny Rotten.
Oh, yes. I love this little vignette here. These were both in Rolling Stone too?
I think I had a couple of, what are they called? National Geographic.
Oh yeah, that totally makes sense because up here there's a coin, like a little coin. And I really love how these, can you undo that side? I love how even on the inside she tie-dyed everything.
They got that rock and roll
They really-
travel flair.
So good. So here's a question. Did you even paint these themes?
Yes, because they were brown. So I painted these to look like, an old 50s car, kind of with the silver.
It's so organic too.
Chrome and
I love this too. It has a little cool classy handle and it rolls. So your work always has such great energy. When you were starting with this, did you know immediately when you saw that you were going to collage/decoupage it?
Well, I had them for a while and my daughter was like, Mom, you should really just paint something cool on there, like 60s or traveling or, And I was like, what if I collaged it?
Yeah.
And she was like, oh my God, that's going to take a lot of, a lot of papers, a lot of magazines and stuff. So then I just kept looking at them and thinking that would be so cool.
Yeah.
To do a traveling thing. But then I looked up AAA. Maps and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And I was going to do that kind of thing.
We have a map here of New Jersey.
Yes.
Yeah.
It has little New Jersey things all over it, actually. And, America, because I love America. And the whole traveling idea, traveling in America.
Well, and what's cool about this, too, is that, we associate this kind of suitcase with a certain time period. And since they're vintage magazines, they really, kind of harken back to things at that time. Johnny Rotten was cool in the late 70s, early 80s. And you know what? We were talking about this earlier. My parents got married in 1978. And this is exactly the kind of suitcase that they had. So it's very timely. I'm just going to turn it around so we can see the other side, too.
It's when you're young, a lot of times, your first things that you hang on the wall that you picked out yourself or pictures and things that you found interesting in magazines.
Yeah.
It's just kind of taking bits and pieces of that, just with traveling, where you're taking bits and pieces of things that you like and memories, and you're kind of making a story out of it as you go.
Yeah, I agree. Good old Nina. I love her.
Yeah, and there's just just cool stuff on there.
Oh, I just noticed that it has a lock on it too. It has it's nothing but class. It has the combination 3-digit lock here. So no notes on that.
Yeah, it was fun to make. It really was.
And then I love how you have a car and a radio, and Kate said, it harkens back to traveling and road trips.
Yeah. That's what I was going for.
So it's so cool. There's a cow here. I'm going to pick this one up so we can see it really well. So.
Yeah, and it's a lot of rock references, a lot of music references on there because it's from Rolling Stone magazine.
The kids are not going to know this, but over here it says Radio Shack.
Yeah.
Which that is a blast from the past.
And all the tape players, and they were all just stuff that was in Rolling Stone.
Yeah, it's very much.
There's a Steve Miller album cover.
Yeah.
On the back of the water.
Yeah.
It's on the other one.
And this one, I love that Raquel Welch is down here.
Yeah, just like old timey stuff.
So
Some of them were black and white, so that was kind of neat.
yeah, because it gives it nice depth, and I like that where there's the chance to like, you used both like landscapes and like individual pictures, and it's really beautiful. And also it feels so silky smooth, which is nice too.
Polyacrylic,
I love, guys, if you don't know what Mod Podge is, Mod Podge.
That's what I
excuse me.
used, really.
I know.
Mod Podge. I loved it.
Yeah, it's terrific.
It really is.
So American Spirit cigarettes,
Yeah.
the kids don't know that either. So, but these are beautiful, and beautiful. I keep saying beautiful, and then being like, that's the wrong word. These are awesome. Like,
Thanks.
they are pretty and they're dynamic.
Thank you.
They're bright. They just like make you feel happy. So
They're fun to look at. Like, you
Yeah.
can always find something weird.
Yeah.
You keep looking at it, you'll see something
So,
unique.
question: can you use these for actual travel?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Yeah,
I
they're
mean,
pretty
they
straight.
were really clean, and you know, I mean, I don't see why you couldn't.
Yeah.
These hook in here, everything works. You know?
Note to self.
Yeah.
I mean, I do own a gallery, and so I should have unique things.
I think it would be fun to travel,
I think it would too.
like to go to an airport or something.
You'll make so many friends.
Yeah.
But you have to write a note on this that says like, please be careful. I really love this a lot. It's a work of art.
Don't hurt my suitcase.
So, which they don't.
No.
But
But I bet if I put like another coat on of the polyacrylic.
and people can use that. Oh, Bob Dylan.
Yeah.
Either way, we love this piece, and we cannot wait for you to come and see both of these pieces during our The Marvelous and Unusual show from now to July 16th. Thank you so much, Deidra.
Thank you.